Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
73-degree air temperature, dew point the same. That gives me an east-northeast wind at about 7, and that assures us showers and thunderstorms will build this afternoon close to the coastline. 60% chance of that by 3 p.m. By 7 p.m., about a 50% chance. And then things kind of quiet down as we head into the evening and the sea breeze kind of fades away. I think most of the morning is going to be spent, I think all of the morning is going to be spent rain-free, and I think most of the early afternoon will be spent rain-free as well. Right now, it's pretty quiet. We do have the general easterly wind picking up showers over on the other coast already, and I think like yesterday, we'll see those showers kind of approach from the southeast, moving off to the northwest generally. Although there will be some random motion as the showers begin to increase in intensity closer to the coastline and we get the outflow boundaries starting to pop. Over the Skyway Bridge, you may see a few scattered showers around this morning as they head out to sea, but nothing heading our way. High pressure, the dominant weather feature, easterly flow around the bottom side of that high. Sea breezes build in the afternoon. Showers and thunderstorms blossom, move out into Gulf waters. And then over the course of the next several days, perhaps a little bit of drier air kind of skirts up the east coast, close enough to us to maybe reduce our rain chances a little bit as the kind of feeding mechanism from the east coast is interrupted, just a little bit perhaps. And then next week, we're going to be keeping a careful eye on this cluster of storms. It is quite possible that this cluster of storms could give us an enhanced rainfall chance as we head into probably either Monday or Tuesday or Wednesday of next week. So we'll be keeping an eye on that. Wet pattern continues into the weekend. We'll be watching that tropical wave. And also farther out in the Atlantic, we do have a system that's building called, well, it's not called anything yet, but it might likely be called Florence by the time we hit the weekend. We'll see. So there's our drier air on this map. You can see the bluer colors. That's the drier air. You can see it kind of skirts along the coast, but we get periods and waves of moisture coming through as well. So we're certainly not going to eliminate the rain chances. And then this big glob of high moisture air moves our way. That's that tropical wave that's out in the Atlantic right now. Computer models continue to suggest that may be coming our way as we head into early next work week. Few scattered showers move into interior sections early on and then build toward the coastline as we head toward noon. And then especially around 3 o'clock, some bigger thunderstorms start to build. Drive time tonight could be just a little teeny bit wet. And then that'll kind of start to decrease in intensity as the sea breeze collapses later in the evening. There's that cluster of showers that I was talking about right now. The Hurricane Center gives this area as it moves into this location about an 80% chance of developing over a 5-day period. If it did, it would move out into the open waters of the Atlantic, and again, it would not be a bother to anyone. So the forecast looks like this. East wind coming in at about 10, maybe lightening up a little bit this evening at about 5 to 10. And we'll look for a daytime high today that tops out about 90 with a mix of sun and clouds, more clouds probably this afternoon than anything else. 60% chance of rain today and tomorrow. Slightly drier air, slightly reducing rain chances Saturday and Sunday, and then next week we'll be monitoring that tropical wave.